Hi, Katie here from Katie's World, and I'm sharing today my newest album using Graphic 45's Hello Pumpkin collection. I'm actually using an 8x8 collection pack today. And to make this, you actually can get 3 out of 1 paper pad. So any Graphic 45 8x8 collection, you should be able to get 3 of these out of it. So these will be in kits. I have pre-cut mostly everything for you. And there are step-by-step instructions in the kits, as well as a full cutting guide of how I cut this paper. So if you want to make more of these, once you pick up your kit and you want to make more, there's cutting guides for you to do that. So let's take a look here. Now I have used a variety of flowers from my stash. We have a Graphic 45 flower, and then we have some other flowers and leaves from Prima. Here is the spine. It's 1-inch spine. Here's the back. And I had to do a little bit of paper piecing here. Not paper piecing, but because this album is actually 9 inch. It's a 5x9. So 5x9. And so since this is an 8x8, I had to get creative with it. And I actually love how this turned out even better than just one full sheet. So you have a place for a photo here on the front. If you don't want a photo, you can just add some decorative paper or embellishment or title of some sort. I always like to throw in a photo there to personalize it. And I do have step-by-step pictures how I glued on each of the flowers and the layering of that as well. I inked the edges with a black Inkpad Dauber. Inside we have a waterfall here on the right. And I used a cut apart here and here. In your kit, the cut aparts just come as a full 8x8 sheet. There's 2 of them, and so you'll just have to trim those out. But I give you instructions on the measurements to do that. There's no white cardstock in your kit. This just represents your photo, just for purposes so it makes it look really nice. You can see how it would look framed out with a picture in there. I do sell these stickers digitally in my Etsy shop. I'll put a link below. It's always nice to just put these in here if you're giving this as a gift. And I just put a little dauber of glue on the center, and they can carefully tear this off and add a photo. These skinny strips, I do have them all pre-cut for you in your kit as well. And we just start alternating the patterns down here. There we go. And then on the left, I've got a nice pocket. Now I used the Deep Edge Punch by EK Success. I also do carry these in my shop. I will post the link below. They go pretty fast, so if it's out of stock, I will get some more in. But you can use any Deep Edge Punch by EK Success, and the measurement should work just fine. As long as it's EK Success and says Deep Edge, the measurement should be fine. The decoration will be different. Again, I used Embroidery. So here's the insert on the inside. You can put a nice large 4x6 photo here. And then I have some 3 smaller ones, 2.5x3s. Now, of course, you can do another 4x6 here and decorate as you wish. In the kit, you will receive a bag of scraps. So all the scraps that are left over after I've pre-cut everything, you'll receive those. So if you want to change it up a little bit and just throw into, use some scraps and change the photo sizings, you are more than welcome to do so. Here's a look at this. I just love this paper. It's so gorgeous. These colors are beautiful. And I love the purple pumpkins. My favorite color is purple, if you didn't already know. And so having the purple pumpkins, just love it. I really want to decorate my house. Now I have to go look for purple pumpkins to decorate. So here's the inserts that go in the angled pocket on the bottom. Let me just show you these real quick. They're 3x4s. Now, because the cut aparts are a little bit smaller than a 3x4, again, I had to get creative here. So I took a piece of like this green plaid here. So that'll be in your kit as a 3x4, and you're just going to glue that on. So each one of these has a 3x4 decorative piece that goes on first. And then you're going to put the cut apart on top, and again, I ink the edges of all those. So this one, you just see a little strip of it on the side there. And the back, I just left blank to add a photo. And I put a little strip down here for a 3x4. You can leave out the strip and just add a 4x4 if you would prefer to do so on that. And then a 4x4 on the back. And if you like the look of this and want to do the same thing on the back, either a like a vertical as opposed to a horizontal, then you can grab that scraps bag and cut a little strip and go right there. That would look cute as well. And then I did a little insertion point right here with a little strip of black cardstock that will be in your kit, of course, and just glued the sides and bottom only of the black piece, and that way you can tuck some in there. So these were cute. These were just left over in the cut-aparts, and there were actually a bunch more cut-aparts. I didn't put everything in here, but I thought these were really cute. You can add photos or journaling to the back. This is so cute. Love it. And so here's a look at it without all the inserts in it. And so that's it. That is my 5x9 mini folio. It's basically a mini version of my previous folio. So I did a Christmas folio as well as an Alice in Wonderland folio. Both of those were graphic 45, and this is basically just a condensed mini version. The pockets are the same. They're not as wide, so they're the same height wise, and this is exactly the same though, so it was just this one that was actually larger. So that's all I did there. And then the waterfall, they're of course shorter, so instead of being for full 4x6s, it's down to it'll hold a let's see, this big one, 4x4.5, so it'll go 4.5 wide there. And then there's no pockets or inserts on the side here like there is in the Alice and the Christmas one. So as you can see, it's just a mini condensed version. So if you just want something quick, this comes together so quickly. So these are perfect for Christmas gifts. I would guess you can probably throw it together in an hour or two. And then of course, if you're going to add photos, that'll take you a little bit longer. But it comes together so quickly, and great for Christmas gifts or birthday gifts or any type of gifts that you want to give just that special someone. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I post updates almost daily on my Facebook page, and I also have an email. So if you'd like to sign up for my email list, those go out at least once a week on Saturday mornings. We have a new release on in our Etsy shop every Saturday. You can email me at katiesworldca@gmail.com and request to sign up for my email list, and I'll put you on there. So thanks again so much for watching, and have a great day.